Good morning, everybody. So I'm going to go over the assignment for this week. So if you go into classwork, you'll see that I posted a new assignment. It's going to be right at the top. It is, let's scroll down here, image search and citation project. So this is going to be a multi-part assignment, and it's also something that I'm giving you some choice in. So the first part of the assignment is going to be to search for an image on the internet that can be freely reused and cited. So what we're trying to accomplish in this assignment is being able to navigate image searches on the internet and finding images that we can reuse for our own purposes, depending on their licensing and copyright. What we want to do, what our goal is to mostly find images that are available for free use, and mostly like Creative Commons or public domain images. Now, there's other things to take into consideration when you're looking up images that are under copyright and that are not supposed to be reused. And it's difficult because when we go on the internet and we're searching for images, we see that there's so many things that are freely available, and it's really easy to just copy and paste or download and just reuse them wherever we want. So the purpose of this is to understand why that may not be okay and how to responsibly reuse images that we did not create. So if you did not create something yourself, then you need to give credit or attribution to the person that did create it. So that's the first part of this assignment. So you will be searching for an appropriate image online that can be reused. You'll follow the guidelines that are outlined in finding and appropriately using images. There's a slideshow that's linked below. View that first because it's going to tell you all of the background information, what to look for, what a citation is, what the different things are that you need to consider. Once you find an image, there's going to be resources that are linked in that slideshow to show you where to find Creative Commons images. So there's a bunch of different things that you can search, including, ways to search on Google Images. There's Flickr Commons. There's also images in Wikipedia that you can use. There's also Creative Commons search. So there's a bunch of things listed there. So go ahead and browse around and see if anything is of interest to you. After you find an image, you're going to email me. Okay, I put my email address there. I want you to email me the image. And most importantly, I need the link for the image so that I know where you found it from and I can see the information there. And this way I can give you approval for the image that you want to use. I want you to email me using proper email etiquette. And I want you to get that email and the image to me by at least Wednesday, because we only have a week to do this assignment. So I want you to be able to find your image, get your ideas going so that you can be able to turn it in by Sunday. There's information in the slideshow as well, telling you what I expect from an email from you. This is another thing that's really important, email etiquette. And I kind of go into detail about why. So I'm not going to do that here. I'm trying to keep this brief. And then you will have a choice of 3 different projects. So you only choose one. You have 3 choices. There's a mild, medium, and picante. So the mild one is creating a Google Slides presentation. You will have a minimum of 8 slides in your presentation, and each slide has a cited image and a well-punctuated sentence. So basically you'll find 8 different images through Creative Commons. They can be a similar theme, they can be something that you piece together to make a narrative. It's up to you, be creative. 8 different images, 1 image on each slide, Under each image, you will put the citation, and then under that, you will put just a sentence either about the image, maybe why you liked it, maybe a little bit of a narrative story, anything creative. I just need one well-punctuated sentence, an image, and a citation on 8 slides. Okay, there's examples of this in the slideshow so that you can just see like what the format kind of looks like for that. The medium assignment is to write a short story. So that is at least 1 page, double spaced, and the font for that should be a reasonable size. I don't want anything larger than 14 point. You will include your image that you find as an illustration. So you can write the story and then you can paste the image in there as like an illustration for the story. And then you will put the citation under the image, okay? And then the Picante assignment is to make a short film. So it should be at least 1.5 minutes long. You can use whatever device you have, either a tablet, your iPhone. You can use iMovie for editing or any other platform that you're comfortable with or something that you're interested in exploring. Like I said, this is like the more advanced, difficult assignment out of the 3. So it's up to you. If you want to put more into it, if you want to explore with filmmaking and those kind of things, I encourage you to try that. If you have any questions about resources or different platforms that you could use, you can always reach out to me, but don't try to do anything that you're not too familiar with or comfortable with, since we only have a week to do it. So I would suggest using something that you have used before and that you're interested in doing more with, okay? And for the film, the image needs to be included in the film somewhere. So it could either be as like a menu or a title image, or something at the end when you do your credits. The image should be in there with the citation under it. So be creative with that wherever you want to tie it into the film. I give you creative license for that. It just needs to be in there. Okay. So there's an assignment overview slides that gives you further details. Remember to send your image and your email that's properly formatted by Wednesday, and then your final project is going to be due on Sunday, the 24th. So that's pretty much it. You'll see down here, I have the, this is the slideshow about finding images, and here's the assignment overview. That's about it. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm going to do another open office hours on Wednesday. It's optional. I really encourage you to even just pop in for a few minutes to say hi, kind of like a meet and greet, since we haven't been able to have a lot of face-to-face time, but especially pop in if you have any questions or concerns about this assignment. So I don't think I mentioned this in my about me, but I also live with a very grumpy 19-year-old cat. Her name's Fish Sticks. There she is. So anyways, she's always by my side. Okay, I will wrap this up. It's getting a little long. Email me, reach out, and have fun. Okay. Have a good week.